Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Khushi et dans cette vidéo, on va apprendre le verbe être. To begin with, let me tell you there are two categories of verbs in French, regular verbs and irregular verbs. In the regular verbs, there are certain rules for conjugation of the verbs, but in the irregular ones, there are no such rules. You have to learn the conjugations of the verbs by heart. Okay, now let me tell you. Être is an irregular verb, so we'll have to learn the conjugation of the verb by heart. I hope you all have watched the video on les pronouns sujets. What are the subject pronouns? Je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il and elle. Now let us get into the verb être. What does the verb être mean? Être means to be. Now what does to be mean? To be in English can be I am, you are, he or she is. These are the forms of the verb to be. Now, just like in the subject pronouns, in être as well there are two parts, singular and plural. So let us first begin with the singular one. Now in the singular part there is je suis meaning I am, tu es meaning you are, il est meaning he is, elle est meaning she is. Always remember the conjugation of il and elle for any verb is same. Now in the plural category there is nous sommes meaning we are, vous êtes meaning you are, ils sont meaning they are, elles sont meaning they are. Now there are two things that we have to note down. First one, we do not pronounce the last consonant, but in case of vous êtes, since the next word begins with a vowel, we pronounce the last consonant in vous. This is called the rule of liaison. Okay, that we pronounce the last consonant in vous. So it is vous êtes. Okay, and the conjugation of il and elle plural always remains the same. Now, if you're through with the words, let us begin with the examples. Now the first example, je dash and the n, meaning I dash Indian. So what do we have for je? Je suis and the n. Je suis and the n. Again the rule of liaison. Okay, très bien. Now the second example, Sarah dash professor, Sarah dash teacher. Now Sarah means she. So what do we have for she? L, E-double-L-E. So L dash professor, L A professor. Très bien. Now the third example, vous dash étudiant, vous dash étudiant, meaning you dash students. So what do we have for vous? Vous êtes étudiant. You are students. Okay. Next one. Elle dash heureuse. Elle dash heureuse. They dash happy. So what do we have for elle? Sont. S-O-N-T. Okay. So elles sont heureuses. Elles sont heureuses. Again I am using the rule of liaison since H is silent in French. Mute H we call it. Okay. So elles sont heureuses. I believe that you are through with the topic, but let us take another 10 seconds to repeat it. Répétez avec moi s'il vous plaît. Repeat with me please. Je suis, I am, tu es, you are, il est, he is, elle est, she is, on est, one is. Now in the plural category, nous sommes, we are, vous êtes, you are, ils sont, they are, elles sont, they are. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.